Hey, welcome back. All right, and if you're new here, glad you stopped by. Today we're going to be going to Target to see what they have for spring and summer new in the Bullseye section. And if you're into home decor and love it as much as I do, make sure you subscribe so you can see all of the videos, because we're going to be doing a full tour of Target to see what they have for spring and summer home decor as well coming up. All right, but let's get started. All right, so let's take a look around Target Bullseye section and see what they have in new. All right, so first thing, I saw this bowl set. I love it because I love anything with a little speckled detail, and it's a ceramic bowl, so you can make a candle out of that if you wanted to. They remind me of like the dumpling-like bowls. This was $5. I thought that was cute. They had a lot of cute little baskets and shelves going on. This one was a cute little caddy that you can customize because it's wood. This other one, you can also customize it. That's the good thing with a lot of the Bullseye section things from Target, because you can customize them to fit along with their decor. These candle holders, they also have them in another color. I like the clear because it goes with a lot of different decors. Then, of course, they have a lot of laundry room stuff that they have had out for some time now. So if you're into laundry rooms, if you have one, if you're fortunate enough to have one, you can decorate it with the Target Bullseye section. They had a lot of cute little pillows, these baskets they had with the little rope detail on the bottom. I love the ones with the rope detail at the top, the black and white ones. I thought those were cute for storage, for pantry, different things like that. So with the Bullseye section, you can do a lot for your home. More cute little signs that you can put in your mudroom, you can put in your entryway, you can put so many different places all over the house. These fans I thought was so cute. You can use them as wall decor. You can get a group together and make a nice little wall decor for an affordable price because they're $5, and at a high-end store something like that would run you a lot. More little speckled detail pieces. These trays, you can use them as catch-all trays for around the house. These planters, I'm noticing they're coming out with a lot more things now for a dollar. So you can get all these different colors of these little planters for a dollar, which I thought was cute. A lot of other little catch-all like pieces, so you can put your jewelry in these on your bedside table. You can throw change in them, different things. You can use them for whatever, but they have a lot of cute little pieces that you can use around your house. This one, I loved the shape of it, and I just thought it was so cute. And again, all of these pieces are customizable. You can add little details to it with just paint, gold leaf, different things like that. This, another little tray that you can organize stuff in. So if you need something to organize those really small pieces, that was good. They have a lot of these in different colors. So this palm leaf one came with different prints on it. These I thought were cute. Again, something that you can create a larger piece of wall decor with these, because you can paint them the color that you want, and they're $5 a piece, and they remind me of some things that I have seen. These were cute too, and they came in two different colors, so you get the black and you get the white. Love those. They had stuff out from Easter still. They had a lot of cute little prints for the towel sets, which I thought was nice for spring and for summer. They have these new wall decor pieces, so if you don't want to paint, if you can just put these up, $5. Doesn't cost you that much. Again, like I said, a lot of wall shelves. They had different ways you can organize your home with the dollar spot. This I thought was cute. My dog put her toys in a bin, and I'm like, she's looking for a new bin, but I was wondering if it was too high for her because she's kind of small. They have a lot of faux greenery. I just wish the back was a little different, but they have a lot of little floral pieces and little greenery right now in the Bullseye section. These shovels don't garden, but if I did, I would want a cute little shovel like this for $3. Why not? I thought they were cute, and they came in two different prints. I don't know if they had more, but at my Target they had those two prints for this, and they both were so cute. The planters, again, in a bigger size. I love these for $5. You can't beat that. And then this little hashtag sign, it says dry erase, so I'm thinking you can write on it. I don't know what you would write on it because it's not that big of a surface, but I think you can write on it. This is cute. So when you're organizing your dog's leashes, different things, you can put it in it and hold the leashes. These were cute, these little risers, and they came in 2 different sizes. So I thought that was awesome. Again, more towels. I love the brightness of this one because they take you from spring into summer with these colors. Another organizer for your pups. Leashes and different things, jackets and what have you. These stands, you can put plants on them. They came in black and in white. Love that. They're not tall enough to be a side table, but as a plant stand, loved it. Again, more pillows. They got stay, they got sit. And I noticed they were reversible, so you can have 2 different sides to it. If you didn't want the other side, you can flip it, change it up a little bit. These jars, they have a lot of neutral color pieces. So they have these jars. They had them in green, and then they had them in this color right here, a couple dollars. Another wall shelf that I thought was super cute with the circle. They have these new glass pieces. So this one for the bathroom, I've seen it with other colors, but I couldn't find it today. This cheese think board has been here for a while, but I just wanted to show it again because I like it. Little spray bottles that go with the jars. So if you're like organizing your supplies and different things like that, you can do it with that spray set and then the jars, and those might be good too for travel. Then they have outdoor lights. So they have this set right here, which I think is nice and simple, which I don't think outdoor. I'm not saying they're outdoor, but they're string lights. Maybe for around inside your house. I don't know. I can't say for sure they're outside. Then they have these. I know a lot of people want to save space, so they have the magnetic spice jars. Only thing I wish they were more organized, because it's like you got to hop around to find things. These, like I said, more pieces of floral pieces, different things. Some of them look natural, some of them just for decor, but they had a lot of different pieces, different colors that would go with a lot of different decors. That one was my favorite one. Then, for the plant things, they have a lot of cute little signs and stuff now because it is that time of season. Love these in the Bullseye section right now. Thought they were cute, and they came in 2 different shapes. So you can get both of them and make a whole little moment like that. These I thought were so cute because I love anything animal shaped. So they had the dog, and then they have the cat. And I remember back in the day, the Bullseye section did not have as many pieces. That's when it was the dollar spot, But now they have so many pieces that they raised, the price. And they're bringing back some dollar stuff. I think these candles were cute. Don't know too much about the burn time, but the little prints on the outside were nice, to sit on your shelf or by your bedside table. So I thought the prints were nice for these pieces. This I thought was a piece of wall decor. I didn't even realize that it was a chalkboard sign, but you can use this, customize it, and use it as a piece of wall decor. This one had little floral like details in it. The other one, I love the arch because that's so in right now. More candles that I just thought the shape was cute because it had the little square, cute little signage on it. Then these, if you find these, grab them. They were filling up the shelf, the cart. One of the workers was filling up one of the carts with these. I was like, where's she taking them? So there was only a few out, but you can do so many things with that. More shells. Love the little rope detail on this, and that it is a circle piece. I thought that was awesome. Like I said, right now, if you're at Target, look at this basket. It goes with the shelf. You can hang this in your kitchen for your fruits, different things like that. So right now in the Bullseye section, you get you some cute stuff. More of these little tray plate things, and then the large collection of towels right now that they have, and they come in a set of 2, and they come with the different prints, and they have so many different colors to fit with so many different kitchens. These little bowls, they call them snack bowls, but yeah, you can put your little snacks in them, and they came in 3 different colors. Right now at my Target, not sure if they had other colors, but I thought those were nice. These little things right here, thought they were cute. Like I said, anything animal thing I think is cute. And then with the color that it is, it's just so neutral to go with anything. Or again, you can customize it. These are the candle holders again, and they come in the mercury glass. This, again, I don't garden, but if I did, $5, and you get the gloves, you get the little apron. This print, I think they had the tea towel set that looked just like this print. So cute. This is a good find if you can find it. If you have water by your bedside table, so you fill it up and then you use the cup at the top to drink it at night, which is super cute for $3. More little stand things. They had that electric blue. They have the white. So that's awesome. They had some doormats, which I thought was cute because happy hour is every hour. And then something simple. These glass container things, love those. Cheese boards. They're having a lot of cheese boards right now. So if you find cheese boards there, and they have different ones depending on your taste, your style. These, you could probably make something like this, but it's $5. So save yourself the time. And I think I even did a DIY just like this, but you can buy that for $5, which I thought was awesome. These are the glass bottles that they have. So they had it in 2 different colors at my Target. Not sure if they have it in more than those 2 colors, but I thought this was super good, but you gotta be careful because it's glass. This, again, you can customize it or you can leave it just as is. I thought that was a nice tray to have. Wine glasses, they come and go with different things for your bar set at Target, so you can find those. These boards, I like them because they're called serving boards, but you can use them as a tray. You see the thing? You can do some gold detail around it, or you could just leave it as is, and you can use it as a tray to sit out on your table. These shelves, love the shape of them. They had a triangle one, and then they have the half circle one. So if you're wanting to take things off of your tables and your counters, they have a lot of different shelves right now. These baskets, thought were so cute, so simple, and they had them in black and white at my Target. So if you're looking for storage and organization, like I said, check out the Target Dollar Spot because they have these little water canisters. Thought were cute because they had them in the pop color. This riser, you can see it had a little defect in it. I'm not sure if that'll happen over time. These thought were super nice and neutral, so they had it in that shape, and then they have it in this shape. So I would get both shapes and just do those. They were $5, not bad for what you're getting. More shelves. You can put these on your counter, or you can hang them on your wall if you would like, and they're $5, and they came in the black and in the white. These containers to store things, they had a few different colors to pick from for $3. Not bad at all, and you can keep your stuff looking nice and simple. For your treats for your pets, they had these little canisters, which I thought were so cute to keep everything nice. More bud vases, super simple, super nice. Different shapes, different sizes, all for a couple bucks. Another wall decal, so you can save yourself some time in painting and accenting your walls for only $5. And they're nice neutral colors. More faux leaves, different things like that. I'm trying to think of an idea for these because they had so many. If you're into plants and vines and stuff like that, they had these little vine holders for $1. So they had that one like the ladder, and then they had another one that looks like a leaf that you can do the vines up. Super cool. And then the canisters again in the different design. So that was like a butterfly, and then they had the other one which is a snail. So these are super cute. I don't know, I don't garden like I said, but they were super nice. So that was it for Target. All right, so that was it for Target today. Did you enjoy the spring and summer pieces that they have? Do they have that at your local Target right now, or are you out of stock? Because I know my Target sometimes is a hit or miss. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.